Hey everyone, we got out today and just decided to go riding out in the country and stuff, and we ended up going to Bell Buckle, Tennessee. And in the video you're going to see Bell Buckle Cafe and a Doodlebug store and just different stores. Most of the stores were closed by the time we got there, but I did take a video of the inside of Doodlebug store. She's got a lot of primitive stuff in there, and I love that store. It's one of my favorite stores. So we went in there, and then we went over to Bell Buckle Cafe and had dinner. Short little story. This guy over here, he used to live in Bell Buckle, and a long time ago, when cruising was popular, we would go riding around malls, and people would just meet each other that way. Well, he was with one of his friends, and I was with one of mine, and we were cruising around, and his friend saw my friend. We pulled over, we started talking. Next thing you know, I give him a call at Bell Buckle Cafe, where he used to work.
On a payphone.
On a payphone. And that's where it all started. And that was 36 years ago.
1988.
And so we just came back and had dinner where he used to work and walked around town, and we showed you a few of the places that were still open. So it's not a very long video, but if you have a chance to come out and visit Bell Buckle, Tennessee, it's a great little town. They got cute little shops. If you love stuff like that, it'd be a perfect place to go. And coming up soon, they're having the Moon Pie Festival, and I'm not a sponsor, but they're having that festival, and they'll have all kinds of crafts, everything. It'll be crowded, so be prepared if you come to that. But it is a fun time to come and enjoy the town, enjoy the smells, the sights, the music and fun. It's just a fun time of the year. So we hope you can come to Bell Buckle, Tennessee sometime and visit this little town. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please subscribe and like our videos. And we're going to try and get more things out there for you to see, because we love getting out and traveling and finding things to do. We'll see you soon.
See how it
That's what I was coming to say about this.
They're so cute. Look at that. She's so cute.
So you've got to take a picture of the one we have on the harvest table. That's Abigail with her little girl, or Amanda. Abigail and Amanda.
Not my circus, not my monkeys.
And then we have my favorite things that's got the little doll. The real primitive one.
I love all this primitive stuff.
And people say, well, why is her hair like that? I said, because she's primitive. That's the way it's supposed to be.
So cute. All the stuff in here is so pretty.
Did y'all have any fried pies?
We're out. We've been out for a couple hours. We've been slaying. We've literally had a line out the door for hours.
Oh, that's good.
Mine was 88, about to be 89. She makes 10 dozen, and when they're gone, they're gone.
It's a single speed.
That's a great bike.
Isn't that great?
Yes, sir.
The town where I met this handsome man in. Bell Buckle, Tennessee.
Wrong down here.
All right. Well, before we end our video, we are having dessert tonight. Strawberry shortcake. And
Stolen brownie sundae from Andy's.
from Andy's Frozen Custards.
Oh, yeah.
Not a sponsor.
Not a bump. They need to be.
Yeah, that'd be nice. But we're going to try this. And I was laughing because I'm out there freezing to death and getting ice cream. But they've got the best ice cream though.
Good stuff.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.